Solving second layer. We will place 4 edge pieces of second layer. We have to place only 4 edge pieces. Red blue, blue orange, orange green, green red. By chance green red is placed. We will find these 4 pieces either at this position in second layer or at this position in bottom layer. Let us start with red blue edge piece. We will hold the cube like this. Let us find red blue edge piece. Red blue piece is here. Bring red blue piece below blue center piece. We will perform a series of moves and edge piece at this position will be placed here without disturbing first layer. Series of moves for second layer. Bottom right, left down, bottom left, left up, bottom left, front anti-clockwise, bottom right, front clockwise. Red blue piece is placed. Let's place next piece. Let us change blue orange. Let us find blue orange edge piece. Blue orange piece is here. Bring blue orange edge piece below orange center piece. Bottom right, left down, bottom left, left up, bottom left, front anti-clockwise, bottom right, front clockwise. Blue orange piece is placed. Let us place next piece. Let us change orange green edge piece. Let us find orange green edge piece. Orange green piece is here. Bring orange green edge piece below green center piece. Orange green edge piece is not matching green center piece, so it will not match perfectly, but yet we will do it. Bottom right, left down, bottom left, left up, bottom left, front anti-clockwise, bottom right, front clockwise. Orange green piece is placed, but its orientation is wrong, but we will fix it. In some cases, we find edge pieces at this very place. For both cases, repeat same series of moves. Bottom right, left down, bottom left, left up, bottom left, front anti-clockwise, bottom right, front clockwise. Some other piece is placed here and the orange green piece is shifted here in bottom layer. Its orientation is also corrected. That's the trick. Let us rotate bottom layer 180 degree. The edge piece is here with correct orientation. Let us repeat same series of moves. Bottom right, left down, bottom left, left up, bottom left, front anti-clockwise, bottom right, front clockwise. Orange green piece is placed. With this, we have completed 2 layers.